Hi guys, today we'll be doing a small video on how to install NewTechWood terrace range decking boards. As you can see, we've laid all of our boards in to a desired length, and we have already installed our clips. We have slid them through the gap from either end so that they're aligned with the joists. As you can see, we've already done the first row. The second and remaining rows we will now do. We're sliding through the clips. We will have one screw and clip on every single joist. If the gap is too tight, use a screwdriver or a pry bar to open up the gap slightly. We counted the number of joists prior and slid in the desired amount of clips from opposite ends. We will then use a Irwin clamp with decking spacers on the ends. There you go, the first one. And this will pull all of your boards tight together to keep a similar gap between all of them. Because we're installing a breaker board through the center here, we need to be keeping these two boards in a line, or you will notice this if it isn't perfect. To do so, obviously clamp more or space them out slightly if need be.